let's learn how you can fix Reels quality drop on Instagram. So the first step is to open your Instagram application, then click on plus sign on bottom in the middle. Then you need to select a reel right here and select the video you want to add as your reel. Then click on next. Let's click on next again. What you have to make sure is that you already recorded the video on good or highest quality, whatever you are using. So make sure that you check that first. If it is, then you can just continue to watch. So you can select whatever you want right here. It doesn't matter. On these settings, you need to scroll down and click on more options and just select upload at highest quality option. So it will turn white. Go back and then you can go next and upload your video. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.